Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve Snapchat Restore. To know how to fix or how to solve Snapchat Restore, you should just go to Settings. Here we go to click Apps, Default Apps, App Settings. Here in this list you will enter to this window of Snapchat. When you'll find this list of app info, you will go to click for stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to storage. Here in this page you click clear cache, and in the end you can search about your Snapchat on Play Store, and you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.